Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Arduinos. Today we'll be creating a fire alarm. Now, as you can see on the screen here, I have the exact same setup as in the fire sensor module. Here is in the fire sensor module, except I've got this extra buzzer here, and this will be the alarm part of it. So we have the sensor and then we have the alarm attached to it. So this is simply a buzzer. So what we're going to do is attach the buzzer and then reprogram the fire sensor code and to add the alarm into it, and then together you'll have a fire alarm. You have something which senses a fire, and then an output which creates an alert for whoever is nearby to tell them that there is a fire. So how does it go? So we have this. This is the sensor in question. If I can get it in the camera. There, you see you have simple 3-pinned buzzer. And so the S is the pin connection that we're going to connect to, so pin 13. The middle one is the 5-volt connection, and that's alright, but we can do that because this fire sensor uses the 3.3 volt connection, which works out really well, and then the I or the dash is the ground connection. So let's pop that in like so. So here we have connect to the ground, 5 volts, and the blue is pin 13. Now I've kept the colours the same, so you know the oranges are the grounds, the white is the 3.3 volt and the 5 volt, so it's the power going to each one of these modules, and the blue is the actual pin connections. So let us move on to the code now. So as you can see here, I have the code for the fire sensor, and I've got these additional codes here. So what you have to do is you have to add this buzzer as an output. So you do pin mode 13 connected to pin 13 as an output. Then you have to, in the if statement, you have to say you have to high, which is on if it prints fire, and we have a digital write low, so we turn it off essentially if there is no fire detected. So you don't want to have it on all the time. You want it to be an alarm for when there's a fire detected. And then same thing, keep the delay, and then we just upload it. Now before I upload it, there will be a sound to show that this has been connected into the circuit, and also this buzzer sound is pretty horrible. It definitely is an unpleasant alarm. So there we go. Did you hear that? That is that horrible sound. So the red light shows in the fire shows that the power is on. And now all we have to do is test it. So that serial monitor shows that we started the monitor. And now we're going to use this clipper as our fire source. So as you can see, no fire is being detected. So this is the clipper in question. And now let us create a mini flame, see what happens. Now it should be a horrible sound. So ready? 3, 2, 1, and off. Did you hear that? Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1. See, it works, and that is our fire alarm. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and check out my other ones on Analyst Rising, and I'll see you later. Thanks very much.